Jacksonville, Florida attracts businesses worldwide with its exceptional transportation, workforce, and low tax burden. For companies lucky enough to take advantage of all that Jacksonville has to offer, there's the Center Building, located lakeside in the prestigious Bay Meadows neighborhood. The Center Building's beautiful campus-like setting is only a short drive to the downtown financial district. Yet its manicured lawns, gardens, and walking trails will make you feel like you're a million miles away. For relaxing and enjoying a leisurely lunch, there's even an outdoor courtyard dining area. There are 2 private golf courses, an executive airport, plus many restaurants, banks, and hotels nearby. The Center Building's interior is professional and inviting, with marble floors in the lobby. Amenities include 24-hour electronic security-controlled access and on-site accredited property management. Akel's Deli, located on the first floor, provides tenants and their guests a convenient place to meet and eat for breakfast or lunch, with catering available. And there's a mail room on the first floor with drop boxes for UPS and FedEx services. The Center Building is North Florida's first privately owned LEED-certified office building, which for tenants ultimately translates into reduced energy costs. High-efficiency lighting and cooling reduce energy consumption, and there's an extensive recycling program. Owned and managed by the Alan Morris Company, providing tenants with world-class service since 1958. The following corporate office suite is now available. Suite 200 offers a generous 36,374 square foot executive floor plan that can also be divided into 2 18,187 square foot suites. It has a spacious and welcoming reception area with 4 conference rooms, 4 sunny corner offices, as well as 1 large executive office. Call today and let us introduce you to world-class service at the Center Building, offered by the Alan Morris Company, area code 904-733-1000, or visit us at alanmorris.com.